The global manufacturing landscape is shifting at breakneck speed. Vietnam, once the poster child for low-cost labor, is now reinventing itself as a smart manufacturing leader, powered by robotics and automation. With production bases for global giants like Samsung, Intel, and LG, Vietnam is moving beyond simple assembly. The nation has made a strategic pivot to cultivate robotics as a core engine for its domestic industries. In this deep dive, Tech Valley Vietnam explores the current state of the market, the government's strategic roadmap, and the key players driving this revolution. The adoption of robotics in Vietnam surged after 2017, catalyzed by expanding free trade agreements and a spike in foreign direct investment. As Vietnam's role in the global supply chain grew, so did the explosive demand for automation. Vietnam is currently ranked as the world's 7th largest industrial robot market, and its robot density has reached parity with neighboring Southeast Asian countries. There are several structural factors behind this growth. Expansion of FDI. Massive investments from high-tech firms like Samsung and Intel are driving automation needs. Rising labor costs. Increasing wages alongside economic growth have made robot implementation more economically viable. Proactive government policy, national strategies for digital transformation and smart manufacturing. Supply chain. Realignment. Demand for high-value manufacturing capabilities is rising as a beneficiary of the China Plus One strategy. 2025 was a year that marked a significant turning point in the history of Vietnam's robotics industry. Through Decision Number 1131, the Vietnamese government officially designated robotics technology as one of Vietnam's 11 major strategic technologies. This means various supports will follow, including R&D tax incentives, priority in government procurement, and deregulation. The government is also fostering the robotics ecosystem through large-scale exhibitions like Automation World Vietnam and Robocon Vietnam 2025. These events function as practical platforms to strengthen talent cultivation and industry academic ties. What is the basis for the outlook that Vietnam can move from importing robots to self-developing and exporting them? Experts focus on 3 core elements: hardware, software, and operational capability. Vietnam's living lab environment is noteworthy, with high-tech factories from Samsung and LG already in place. Vietnam possesses optimal conditions for the field application and rapid feedback of robotic technology. Representative players such as Vingroup and Phenikaa Group are already redefining global supply chain efficiency. Vingroup has established 3 robot-specialized entities: Robotics, Motion, and Dynamics, each focusing on a different sector. Phenikaa-X is another champion, collaborating with Samsung to integrate AMR pallet mover robots into actual production. Vietnam is evolving from an assembly plant into a technology powerhouse. The journey has only just begun. Protect your focus and you'll build something that lasts.